Hello everyone, this is a quick look at the Mavic Mini by DJI. So what I'm going to do today is unbox this. I'm really excited about this drone that I've actually got for myself. I know most of you probably already know a little bit about the Mavic Mini. You've probably done your research before you've actually got to this point of coming onto YouTube to look at my video. The Mavic Mini itself, I'll very quickly go through some of the key features and specs of the product, and then I'm going to open the box. The Mavic Mini is an ultra lightweight drone weighing only 249 grams, and it is almost as light as the average smartphone. It makes it exceptionally portable and places it in the lowest and the safest weight class of drones. So in many countries, for example, here in the UK, at the moment, it doesn't require any sort of registration as well. And again, what DJI claim is through the DJI Fly app, which you must download to actually use the drone. They've actually got a simple and intuitive user interface, and the whole idea is to be able to make cinematic shots with just a few taps as well. It does have some features as well, such as flight tutorials, and to help you get started with the Mavic Mini quite quickly and quite safely. So it's perfect for somebody like me who's never owned a drone before as well. And a couple of key features as well. When I unbox it, I'll show you a little closer as well. It does have some advanced sensors on there as well to enable it to hover precisely. It does have this stabilised gimbal camera as well, which is a 3-axis gimbal, so that you've got those smooth shots as well when you're actually flying, especially in slightly windy conditions. And the Mavic Mini does support 12 megapixel aerial photography, as well as the 2.7K quad HD camera. Now, the 3-axis gimbal, it is actually motorised, and it does actually provide really good stability to ensure that you've got very clear and smooth footage as well. You also do get the remote controller included, and the remote controller, it maintains a HD video feed when you link it up to your smartphone at a distance of up to 4 kilometers. So that's over 2 miles worth of range that you can get with this controller, and you'd actually still get a feed. And it does also feature some detachable control sticks as well, which is quite nice, as it enables you to be a bit more portable when you're actually carrying your controller around. And the star of the show itself is in fact the drone. Now, because of the relative weight of the drone, only 249 grams, the Mavic Mini allows you to stay in the air much longer than a typical drone, which falls in the similar class in terms of size as well, because you can actually get up to 30 minutes of flight time with a fully charged battery. So again, it just means that you're able to stay in the air much longer and get more of those shots as well. Now, it does actually have some of the key specs. I've already gone through them anyway, so you're able to just see that if I can get it to focus. So 249 grams, ultra lightweight, 30 minutes maximum flight time, the 4-kilometer transmission of the HD video feed, the vision sensors, and it's also got the GPS precise hover, so you can actually return to home as well. The 3-axis gimbal with a 2.7K camera, and also it features a simplified recording and editing through the DJI Fly app as well. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open up the package and take a quick look at it. Now, on this video, I've got a lovely assistant who's actually going to help me with the unboxing. So all they're doing at the moment is just opening up the cellophane outer wrapping. Okay, perfect. Wonderful. There we go. Now, so now we can just go ahead and unbox it. Oh, I think there is a little tab there which we can open. Just peel back. and open. Right, here we go. Perfect. Oh, I think it's the other way. Is it the other way? Just... Oh, okay. So you do get a nice package. Wow, that looks amazing. Now, we'll start off, I think, with the drone itself. So if you would like to kindly just get that out. Wow, fantastic. Okay, can we just get a little closer look at that? So here we go. This is the star of the show. Wonderful. Oh, so all it does is it does have some information on there. I don't know whether you can see that. So it's all it's saying is that you just unfold the arms one by one. So number 1, you just unfold it forward fully. Number 2, unfold the rear arms downwards. So all we do with the number 1 is we just unfold it fully like that, and the rear arms just fold downwards, and again fold downwards like that. Okay, so there we go, that's the drone. Oh, and we do actually get, which is quite a handy thing to have, is a little plastic protector which goes over the camera itself. So that's perfect for when you're actually carrying it to prevent those knocks and bumps and scratches on the actual camera lens as well. Right, I can see that there are some black tabs there, which is just basically some tape, which needs removing prior to using the drone itself. So I'll just go ahead and remove that as well. There we go. I'll just put that to one side, and I'll just take the little protector off, and you can see that it does have that 3-axis gimbal on there as well. Now, it does say on there that you need to charge to activate the battery before first time use. So I guess it's probably a kind of like a fail-safe there for somebody that's new to drones, etc. So once you've charged the battery, you'll then able to go ahead and start using the drone as well. Now I'm going to put that to one side at the moment and see what else is there. So I'm going to get my lovely assistant to again go ahead and take a look. So I believe this is now the controller. So if you'd like to just quickly open that and show us the controller. Wow, that does look smart, doesn't it? So now it does have the aerials on there as well. So I don't know how it opens. Oh, I guess it just simply opens up like that, and you can actually rotate them and position them as you deem appropriate as well. And it does also contain, it's quite a nice rubber feel to this actually. So I'm just trying to work out how this opens. So unfold the antennas and the mobile device clamp. So I think, let's have a look at that. Right, I won't be a second, just going to have a look at how to open that. Right, okay, I've just figured out how to open this. And all you simply do is just pull it downwards towards you and position it in an appropriate way so that your smartphone is actually held securely in place as well. Now, on this particular unit, you do get at the top the record button to start recording footage, and you also get the camera key as well, so you can actually take a quick snap, so which is quite nice and handy. It just makes it easy and intuitive to use. It does have a return to home button there as well, which enables you to quickly and safely bring the drone back to you as and when you need it on demand. And there's the power button as well, and it does also have the joysticks there as well. Now the joysticks, I presume, are going to be in the packaging there, so we're just going to have a quick look at that. So there we have it at the moment. Oh, So these, so let's see what's in here. That's right. Okay, so in the package, first of all, you do get 6 screws. So when it comes to replacing the blades, you've got some extra set of props there as well, for whatever reason that you may need an extra set. And you've also got those 6 screws, so you can actually secure them as well. Now, it does also come with, I presume, a screwdriver, which enables you to obviously secure that on there as well, which is quite a handy thing to have, because sometimes the screws that are supplied, you might end up finding that you don't have the appropriate screwdriver. So let's just have a look at this. There we go. It's your typical round head screwdriver. Okay, so these are the joysticks for the controller, which simply just screw on. So I'm just going to open that up. There we go. Ooh, they actually feel quite nice and rubbery. That's perfect. And all they do is just screw on, one in each port. There we go. Oops. There we go, nice and secure. It feels great, that. Perfect. And I'm just wondering if there's anything else. So I can see that there's some documentation for things like quick start guides and some information as well. So disclaimers and safety guides, quick start guides, some instructions, etc. Now, this particular package, just to recap, you get the remote control, you also get the drone, you also get the gimbal protector, you also get a pair of spare propellers as well. You do get your charging cables as well, a pair of control sticks for your remote controller. You get 6 spare screws, a screwdriver, some propeller blades to go with it, and these are actually these cables here are actually for your smartphone. So depending on the smartphone that you have, whether it be an Android, you've got your micro USB and the USB Type-C, or if you are using an Apple device, you've also got your lightning connector as well, so which is quite handy to have. So you've got your lightning connector, you've got your micro USB, and you've also got the USB Type-C, and that just simply clips onto your controller, and that will provide the video feed and communicate with the DJI Fly app when you're actually using your product as well. Now I'm just going to peel back this door, and it does actually have the battery inside already, which is quite good. So what I would need to do there is just give the battery a charge, and we're ready to fly once the DJI Fly app has been set up and fully configured. Now what I will do for the time being is just leave it at that at the moment, but I am intending to do some more videos about the various features, and perhaps even go more closely and in depth into the DJI Fly app and some of the features that this drone is capable of as well. If you do have any questions, feel free to leave a comment down below, and I will definitely get back to you. And in the follow-up videos, if you would like me to cover anything in particular, then please let me know, and I'll be more than happy to touch on those features in a bit more in depth as well. I hope you've enjoyed my quick unboxing of the DJI Mavic Mini ultra lightweight drone. I look forward to using it, and I look forward to posting more videos about this and some other bits and bobs as well to do with drones. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope to see you soon.